Okay then, hello and welcome to the Greggson channel. I'm your host, Greggson. Today we're gonna have a little art video. Yeah, that's right. Gonna paint you a wee portrait. I'm gonna start off with something calm and relaxing. Try to follow along if you can, but if not, just sit back and enjoy yourself. So first we're just gonna want to get an outline for what we're doing, you're gonna want to make some really nice and slow circular patterns. Just like that. Now if you get it wrong, don't worry. It's not the end of the world, just please and start again. Now that we have our nice, you may be thinking that inside's gonna be the same, but no, we're gonna spruce it up a bit with a nice sort of reddy orange. And oh, won't you look at that? Maybe, oh, silly me, I made a wee accident. Oh no, maybe no, that doesn't work. Anyways, we have a center. Now I know what you're thinking. 2 colors. Wow. This is some advanced stuff. I'm not sure if I can follow, but don't worry. We're good. And don't worry, I'm sure you can do it. But bear with me, because we're gonna add one more color into it, a little bit of lime green. Alright, so just do some nice, slow, circular motions. We have a nice green ball in the middle here, and you're gonna sort of work your way down. Work your way down the stem. Alright, and maybe if you want some detail, you add a leaf. Or maybe even 2. Now that's getting a little complicated, so don't feel like you have to do it. Now, already we have this beautiful painting of a flower, but how about we give this little flower a home? So let's get ourselves a nice sort of brown, maybe like that. Now we're gonna give this flower a nice wee home. So this is gonna be one of the more detailed parts, but I want you to draw a small rectangle here. Alright. And then you grab a bucket. Alright, grab your bucket and you fill it in. Now if you don't get this the first time, don't worry. You can just restart the video and try again. You're just gonna now this is the difficult part. I'm gonna draw another sort of more square type, just another square on the lower end. It's gonna be not as thick, but it's gonna be a bit longer, I guess you could say. And you're just gonna fill that out with your brush, because you realise that the bucket tool isn't quite doing the trick. And voila! Here we have a nice flower in its wee flower pot. But hold up, how can you expect our lovely flower to survive without any light? But don't worry, you silly gooses, because I already thought ahead of that. So we're just gonna grab our bucket tool, gonna add some sky. Maybe that's not light enough, so we'll brighten up. Perfect. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a splash of bright yellow. Just in the upper corner of the screen, just like that, and feel free to fill it in how you want. Oh no, I made a wee accent, so we're just gonna go back. I'm gonna try that again. Now, it's always just so nice and relaxing to draw your own art piece, and feel like you can disappear into your own small world. That's what I'm doing now. I'm creating a wee world for you, a small world with nothing but a nice warm sun and a friendly waving flower to greet you. Maybe you want to make it more like the sun, so you add some flames coming off of it. I think that really helps emphasize it was the sun. Now, if you look here, you see that we have our environment. We have a blue sky and a bright yellow sun. We have a flower with a small flower pot. bet I know what you're thinking. Greggson, foul plots can't float, and you know what, you smart little goose, you're right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some grass for it to sit on. Now, do your grass how you want it. I'm gonna go for a sort of in between a light and a dark green for the grass, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab our brush and we're gonna increase the size a little, maybe just so we can cover a larger surface area. We're just gonna fill that in real nice. And this, I think this really adds a nice contrast to our world. It's different. Really makes all the other colours pop in a way. And I think that's really what this picture needs. It needs to pop. Now I did go over the fire pot a little, I know. Silly me. So I'm just gonna make some small adjustments and mix this up. So just there you go. Bring it down a little. Perfect. And won't you look at that? You can hang this on your fridge. You can give it to your crush, your lady friend or boyfriend. You know, we love all sorts here on this show. And yeah. Anyways, thank you for coming into today's art class with Greggson. I hope to see you all next time on the art show.